Hey, what's going on? This is Marcel, the REI Success Maker with MarcelHumphrey.com. I am standing in one of my clients' latest rehab projects, and I'm blown away from the light fixtures to the moldings, to the architecture, to the open floor plan. Look at this floor plan, ladies and gentlemen. House to die for. I want to share some tips with you today. I'm standing in a property that's located right in the opportunity zone. Now, before I get into opportunity zones and recap on a previous video, I want to give you 3 tips that I share at all of my boot camps and all of my master classes. Now, there are different types of listed properties. Was this property listed? Yes, it was, but it went under contract before it actually hit the market. It still was listed though. It was listed under contract. That's how fast this property sold. But in my book, there are 3 types of listings. You have as-is listings, well-kept listings, and you have retail renovated listing. What's an as-is listing? An as-is listing is a property that is sold as is. Most of the time, those properties that are sold as is, there are no contingencies. There's not going to be any repairs done. You're buying that property as is. The types of properties that you see that are sold as is, these as-is listings that I put in that category, these are usually bank-owned properties. These are usually inherited properties. These are usually houses that need repairs. Now, what's a well-kept listing? This may be grandma's old house. You know, she kept the house in good shape, meaning you could walk in the house, you don't have to do any repairs, but it's not updated. There may not be an open floor plan. There may not be new light fixtures. There may not be new exterior doors or windows. The roof may not have the latest and greatest shingle system, okay? However, it's a well-kept home. The difference between a well-kept home and an as-is property, most of the time you can't move right in an as-is house. It needs some type of repairs. What's a retail listing? Well, a retail listing is a house like this. It's a house that's been fully renovated, okay, from top to bottom. This property has a finished basement. This property has about 5 or 6 bedrooms, a deck on the back. There's new landscaping, a new driveway, new windows, fresh paint. Everything looks good. Everything looks brand new. Check out this chandelier. This property sits in an opportunity zone. A couple of years ago, when that legislation started coming down the pipe, people were starting to talk about it. Forbes magazine wrote a nice article on it. When I read that article, I got so excited. 1, because I'm a real estate investor. 2, because I experienced capital gains. But 3, there's an opportunity for you to change your life, change your neighborhoods that you grew up in. Because I grew up in the same exact neighborhood, and I've watched it change for the better. So what attracted me back to my old neighborhood was big money started investing in my neighborhood, which is an opportunity zone. Okay, I watched new apartment buildings being revitalized. I watched old apartment buildings being revitalized. I watched old schools. That's what really sparked my interest on this particular street when I saw that they were renovating, revitalizing my old high school. And I wasn't the only one that saw this. Other real estate investors. So literally in the last 2 years, from 2017 to 2019, I've watched over 15 rehab projects take place right in this neighborhood within a 3-block radius that I know of. These were both on-market and off-market properties at one time. And the property values have gone from $190,000 to over $280,000 in just a 2-3 year time frame. I wanted to shoot this quick video. I'm excited, as you can see. I'm looking for more deals in my own backyard. If you're just getting started, if you're thinking about getting started, a great place to start is finding out where the opportunity zones are located in your marketplace, buying those properties. If you don't have the resources to buy them, learn how to control them, sell your interest in those deals to people that do, so you can make a profit as well and be part of the process. Folks, I'm signing out. I look forward to seeing you all at the closing table very, very soon. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.